Medical billing fraud in India. 17,000 crore every year. Today I built something to fight with it. This is MedClear. Before I show you what I built, let me tell you why I built this. My uncle went to the hospital last year. There was a routine knee surgery. He would come back in 3 days. He come back in 3 days, and the bill was 2,600. Sorry, my mistake. 2,66,000. He paid it because what do you do at hospital discharge when you are with your family around you? You just don't argue, right? You trust them and pay at the discharge counter. But the government already grabbed that exact procedure at 1,32,000. So he overpaid by 1,34,000. That was not a mistake. Uh, they knew he wouldn't check at all. Even when we are, for suppose if you are at the hospital discharge and you are not going to check, like, is this true or not? This isn't just a story. Every year, crores of Indian families pays their bill. They don't understand. Bills deliberately designed to be confusing. Uh, Look at these numbers. Ceftriaxone injection, that's price of the government would be 45 rupees. And hospital charges us 850. That's 1,788% markup. The cardiac stent, government ceiling is only 35,000 and hospital charges us 1,20,000. That's 242% overcharge. Line items called administrative comfort, 12,000 for it. For the bedsheet change, nobody checks. Because when you are sick, you don't just Google the price, right? You just pay it. So I asked myself, what if there could be a system that checks for you? Hey guys, I am Rachit. Welcome back to the channel. I am your host and your coder. If you are new to here, this is where I build real solution for the real problems. And today's solution, MedClear, an AI-powered billing auditing platforms. Built for India, built on government pricing data. Think of it as a turbo tax for medical bills. You upload your hospital bill, we will tell you if you are being overcharged or not. If yes, where, by how much, with exact proof. Let me show you how it works. The flow is simple. Step 1, you upload your bill. It could be a PDF or an image. Step 2, our OCR pipelines extract every line items. OpenCV pre-process it first, auto-rotate, sharpen, and SQ it. Step 3 would be AI analysis. Every extracted items get matched against the government pricing using the first matching. So even if the OCR reads the question spelling would be like CRO CIN, and even if the OCR reads it CRO capital CIN, then instead of crossing, we would still find it. Step 4 would be generate a report. That's a legal grade evidence. That could be a downloadable PDF also. So now let me show you the actual product. Starting with the login page, no email, no email password like the regular website has as the email password and the login, right? We could avoid it intentionally because no fake accounts because trust started at very first interaction. You know that there is the temp mails also. So just a Google login, that's enough for it. So let me switch to the live demo. This is the actual live site. Clean, minimal, clarity in healthcare begins here. Click the sign in button, continue with Google, and one click, you are in. Just a second. Yes, here you are in. This is the most favorite part of the project. This landing page is designed like a newspaper front page, an investigative report, because that's exactly what MedClear is. The great hospital heist. Look at this data. The critical care monitoring is 18,500. Biomedical waste disposal cost you 2,200 and sterilized equipments costing you 4,500. Now one button, audit my bill now here, and that's the entire product. Let me redirect with you to the uploading section where we upload our bills to check whether we are we are being fraud, having a fraud or not. Here, click that upload button, which shows you your downloads, uh, uh, basically a file explorer from which we can you can select your bill. You can drag in your bill also. It could be a PDF or an image. So if you are not having a bill right now with you, you can just try a sample bill. Clicking on sample bill, it will inject the sample bill in it. If you are having a bill, then click here and you can have the sample bill. Here, I have added a sample bill and watch the system in working in real time. See that the processing happens in the background. That would be a non-blocking async. The server doesn't freeze. Uh, let me let you note the numbers. The analysis has been complete. And here you can see the total bill is 1,45,000 and the fair estimate is 1,25,000. You were overcharged by 20,000. That would be a 14% overcharge. And bill transformation is that you are having your analysis summary where what was your total bill and how it works. The fair estimate as per the government prices, the total bill of yours could be this much only, and you have been overpriced by this. And here you are having the smart insights, which is AI generated. And this is not just a data, all right? You can use this platform to save your money because in the middle class, all the savings of a person in the middle class all goes to here, and they would have nothing with them. Then let me tell you about the tech stack we have used. Once a second, guys. Yeah. Here's what is running the under the hood. Front end is React 19 plus White 8, and in the front end there is Tailwind CSS 4. We have used 3JS for the 3D elements, GSAP and Framer Motion for the animations. And coming to the backend part, Node Express 5, MongoDB plus Mongoose. That's library for it. Then JWT plus Google Auth, Helmet for the security, and Winstone for login in. And rate limiting is obvious. And for the AI and OCR microservices, we have used Python Fast API, Easy OCR and Tersec for the extraction, OpenCV for pre-processing, Levenshtein distance for the fuzzy matching. Then this is our architecture. The architecture is a microservice. Front end is on Vercel. Backend is on Render. OCR is a separate services. Uh, Here, our OCR. And real-time update via servers sent events, SSE. So the front end knows exactly when the pre-processing completes. That is non-blocking and scalable one. And even if the OCR service goes down, backend has a fallback mock response. The pipeline still runs, because the system that breaks down when a service failed is not a production system. These are the real numbers. You can see the cardiac cent, hospital price would be averagely 1,20,000, and the government ceiling is 35,000. That's 242% overcharge. Knee implant, the government price would be 95,000, 42,000. And how much the hospital is charging for us? That's 95,000. That's 126 over 26% overcharge. Then we have ICU daycare, and in the government it is only just 19,000. as per the government price, and the hospital is charging 40,000. These are the outliners. They aren't the outliners. These are the patterns that are systematic and intentional. Uh, what would be the next? You might be wondering, guys, this is the project, and you might be wondering that what would be the next for the Medicare? In the phase two, I would proceed with the prescription scanner, catching overpricing at the pharmacy before you pay. Insurance integration, one click dispute, and you can fill your insurance. Then mobile application for a wider research, wider reach, and AI legal assistant. That in the phase three, I would build an AI legal assistant. Then hospital rating system. AI legal assistant will generate a legal notice to your hospital in your language in your state. Then crowdsource pricing. Every bill you upload builds a national database. Then real-time government API async. I would have the data made in an API and fetching it in every some hours to check that if the data is updated. If the data has been updated, then in the notification we would give the user an alert that the price of this drugs has been increased by this much by the government. So you might be wondering like this project is good and that blah blah blah, and you might be wondering like how could this become a real business? So B2B would be a hospital and insurance company. For it, the subscription would be the $99 as 99 rupees per month, in which you can have the unlimited bill audits, priority PDF exports, and a later generation, which could help you to file a case or even which you can tell proof against the authorized government bill, and a Janaushadhi map, in which if you are having that in the future, in the next version, I would add the prescription, right? And once you have scanned the prescription and you saw that in this hospital XYZ, the bill would be for me this, the bill could be this much. And for this, there is a near Jan Aushadhi, which is built by government. They are government authorized shop. They would give you on the government prices. Like you could visit that and buy the drugs from there. The second would be API access for the developer API, like healthcare platforms and apps. Uh, that would be giving them OCR and matching APIs. Then government pricing database, webhook integrations, and 99% uptime. And that's we could see that Indian healthcare billing market is around 4.7 lakh crore rupees. Transparency gap is massive one. So the first mover advantage is ours. So my uncle doesn't still doesn't know he was overcharged. So most people also don't know that, and that's exactly how the system survives. It becomes people's don't. It works like the people don't check. So hospitals would be like they aren't going check the bill we gave them. So let's overcharge them. They would not going to be either. So Medicare exists to change that, not just as a project, as a statement. The transparency in healthcare is not a luxury, it's a right. If this hits different, share it. Because somewhere in your context is a family that paid a bill they shouldn't have. Like if you want more bills like this, subscribe. We are just getting started. So I am Rachit. This is MedClear. The truth is free. Auditing is mandatory. Thank you guys. See you in the next project. Till then, bye.